Alright guys, we have a 2008 Cadillac DTS. The customer complaining about overheating at the idle, just at the idle. So we checked everything, no leak, the fan was kicking on the highest speed and everything. We checked the fan blades, as you see right here. So no looseness and nothing else. So that's a water pump failure. In this case, we're going to replace the water pump, we're going to replace the belt on the water pump, and we're going to replace the thermostat. So to stay at the safe side. Again, '08 Cadillac DTS with the North Star engine. This engine tend to have an overheat and they are crap engines. So basically, again, so you got to make sure, check every single situation to find out what exactly you are doing. So in this case, we're going to replace the water pump again. We're going to replace the belt around the water pump, the little belt, and we're going to replace the thermostat. So after that, we're going to let it run for the idle, and to make sure we're not going to have any other overleak or overheat or anything like that. So I ordered the water pump. The water pump is coming, the thermostat, the gasket, everything, and we go from there. Ed, did you get the water pump? Did you get the water pump?
The water?
The AutoZone. Did they bring you the water pump or not yet?
You have it here?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it.
Okay. No, I'm asking, did they bring it to you or not yet?
No.
Okay, okay. Yes, we are waiting for the water pump. So my technician confirmed that the water pump hasn't arrived yet. Basically, you need to take the throttle body off. There is an air box with the air filter. Take it off. All the hoses, make sure to disconnect the connector right there for the EGR, and take off the belt. There is a water pump hosing. You need to take off the screws all around it and take it off. And again, this is going to be the thermostat, the throttle body, and that's going to be the water pump right here. So let me look. Sounds pretty, I mean, so let's see what's going to happen. We're going to replace that. So basically, that's the only thing. Most of the time, if you have a overheating on the idle and the temperature goes over above the half and everything else is working, the coolant system, no leak or anything like that, most of the cases the problem is coming from the water pump. Better to replace the water pump and the thermostat. That was all about it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. We're trying our best to get as much as video as possible, basically to save you guys time, and that's it. Feel free to reach out again if you have any question. So see you next time.